and today we are going to Jacksonville. This is where I was born.
Yeah, so we actually made it to Florida yesterday afternoon. And getting the rental car and getting our place was kind of a very unenjoyable show. So we are gonna go to Jacksonville. We're gonna take a ride. It is like 2.5 hours away. We have nothing better to do, so might as well do it. It's where Angel and I used to live, and it's where Sophie was born. So we're gonna go take a look at that and come back and hang out. I don't know. We'll see. A church was building, and then it just kind of never got finished. It's been sitting there empty for a long time. I think a couple years ago someone else was going to build it and start doing something with it, but just never happened. So it's just sitting there as far as I know, unless something has changed. Last time I looked it up, that was a while ago, but there it is.